Well, I think that everybody who's 18 to 24 has done something in their life that they truly regretted. It's just that some people don't get caught for it. What we're now learning as a society about our criminal justice system is that the old attitude of lock them up and throw away the key doesn't work. AIM is a second chance program for 18 to 24-year-old nonviolent offenders who have been indicted for felonies. If they complete this life skills course, their cases are dismissed and they're immediately expunged. AIM stands for Achieve, Inspire, and Motivate. We're learning that addressing the root causes of problems as opposed to incarcerating nonviolent people is better off for everybody. We can teach them skills to make them better productive members of our society. We can eliminate, hopefully by that way, poverty. We can eliminate crime-ridden areas. We can do all of those things by arming them with these skills for the rest of their lives and removing this hindrance of a felony conviction. The participants meet with a case manager. That is their biggest contact with the AIM program, is a case manager. The case manager will coordinate their plan with them. Maybe that is their treatment plan, maybe that is their employment plan, maybe that is helping them get a job, maybe that is coordinating with their school. And they're also the conduit of information between the participant and also the staff.
The staff is great. They learn about you. They see where you're at in life, like how you feeling at home, like are you stable at home? Is there anything else they can help you with, like getting a job or filling out a resume? I mean, you get a fresh start.
I want to say before I went into the AIM program, I really didn't know where I was heading. I was really on a cloud. I was living day by day. And now I think about the tomorrow, I think about the future. I want to go out there and actually, interact with people, do something of myself, like not see myself on that position again, ever again. Being there the first day, looking at everybody, just being so real and having the judge in front of you is just a different type of feeling. It's not something you can run away from. More than anything, I was thinking in my head, I just want to get out and maybe do the same thing again. Little did I know this was actually going to change my whole perspective. It just made me value being here and having that second chance.
Everyone makes mistakes. When I think of AIM, as in the AIM program, I see just a goal.
I love the idea that we give second chances to people in this county, and especially our youthful offenders. People make mistakes, and the fact that we can give some of these youthful people a second chance at life is something that's fantastic. When we save one young offender's life, it really is impacting somebody else's life. That impacts all of us.
A lot of times, some of the folks that come in here, they just need to hear that they're not in any different place than the people who have been very successful. We've tried to address the reason why they're in trouble in the first place, and by addressing that, we can remove not only the hindrance of this felony conviction, which is such a big problem on paper, but we can also, by teaching them these lessons, remove any ceilings over their head just by arming them with skills that some of us already know in life.
Before the program, I used to be a very closed person. I used to keep everything to myself, not very friendly, if you would say, very quiet more than anything. But writing all my problems, it was like I was actually letting someone know something was wrong with me. Even though nobody was gonna read that letter, it was like expressing myself in a different way. And someone was listening, and I was listening to myself. So then I noticed other people actually wanted to listen. It's just I wasn't giving them the chance to listen to me.
The AIM program is a new way of looking at the criminal justice system by implementing solutions to problems that are causing people to be caught up in the system. It is evidence-based, it is individualized, it is backed by science, and it is all-encompassing. You have a group that is dedicated to taking a chance on nonviolent felons. A program like this hardly exists anywhere in this entire country that I'm aware of. There's a unique trailblazing attitude from the participants, including the probationers, including the district attorney's office, from the bench, the public defender's office. This teamwork approach has been truly trailblazing. The only limits for the growth of the program is money. We have to have resources in order to wrap services around these folks to address these root causes of why they're standing in front of us. So the limitation is really money. From money comes personnel. From money comes the services to treat mental health. From money comes the services that we need to treat substance abuse problem. From money comes the ability to teach life skills, basic fundamental life skills. You've got to have the personnel in order to do that, and that is the biggest limitation. This is one of the major ways that we can reform our criminal justice and our thinking about the way that we're treating those that have gotten caught up in the criminal justice system.
Certain people can make a difference, and that's what I'm trying to do now. Trying to make a difference. Trying to show my brothers and sisters that you can go to college and you can go for the career you want and just achieve big things.
Everybody can do it. If you put your mind to it and you discipline yourself, you can do it. At the end of the day, it's for the better of yourself. I want to see young people that messed up, did a mistake. They want to give them a second chance. They believe on these people like that. And if they have enough courage to believe in you, you should just believe in yourself that you can do it, because it's doable. It's doable.